In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on the Royal Caribbean app. This is a useful skill that ensures you stay connected with all your cruise updates and notifications. Let's get started. First, open the Royal Caribbean app on your device. As the app loads, you will see the home screen filled with vibrant images and options to explore. This is the gateway to managing all your cruise-related information. The app is designed for easy navigation, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You want to ensure that you are in the right app, as this will make the rest of the process seamless. Once it is open, you are ready for the next step. Next, sign into your account. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter the details you used to create your Royal Caribbean account. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a prompt to help you reset it. Signing in is crucial because only registered users can update their email addresses. This process keeps your account secure and ensures that only you can make changes. Once you are signed in, you will gain access to all your account settings. Once you are logged in, tap the profile or account icon. This icon is typically located at the bottom of the screen. It may look like a person or a gear depending on the app version you have. Tapping this icon will take you to your account overview. This is where you manage your personal information and preferences. Accessing this section is essential for making any updates, including changing your email. Now that you are in the right place, let's move on to the next step. From there, tap on Personal Information, Account Settings, or Profile Settings. The exact wording may vary depending on the app version you are using. This section contains all the details related to your account, including your email address. It's important to locate the right menu to ensure you can make your desired changes. Once you find it, you will feel ready to proceed further. With this step completed, we are one step closer to updating your email. Now tap your email address. At this point, you will see your current email address displayed on the screen. This allows you to review the information before making any changes. Tapping on your email address is a simple action, yet it is vital for initiating the update process. You will soon be able to enter the new email address you wish to use. This step is crucial because it ensures that your account reflects your current contact information. Next, enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new address you want to use. Make sure to double-check for any typos. This is important as even a small mistake can lead to communication issues. You want to ensure that you receive all notifications and updates about your cruises. After you've entered your new email, take a moment to review it once more for accuracy. This careful attention will save you from potential issues down the line. If prompted, verify the new email address. This step may involve checking your inbox for a verification email from Royal Caribbean. It's essential for confirming that you own the new email address. This verification process adds an extra layer of security to your account. You want to ensure that all changes made are intentional and authorized. Once you've completed this step, you are almost finished with updating your email. Finally, tap Save to update your account. This action will finalize the changes you made to your email address. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully updated. This gives you reassurance that your new contact information is now in place. With your email updated, you're all set to receive important updates from Royal Caribbean. If you don't see an option to change your email in the app, update it through your Royal Caribbean account on the website or contact Royal Caribbean support for assistance. It's good to remember that some account details may need to be updated by Royal Caribbean, especially if you booked through a travel advisor. This ensures your account remains accurate and functional. And that wraps up our guide on changing your email on the Royal Caribbean app. Thank you for watching.